magical sport of airplane throwing. Come with me. Like all sports, paper airplane throwing requires persistence, alertness, and a sense of rationality. Knowing when to throw and where to throw is key. Now we're about ready to take a part in this great sport of paper airplane throwing. Me and David Shank and David Thursby, who is the cameraman, will demonstrate how to properly throw paper airplanes in a safe manner. Let's go throw some paper airplanes.
Wind right now is blowing at a northeasterly direction, and luckily for us, that is the direction that our perch is facing. And so hopefully they will fly like Icarus.
Icarus died.
Yes, he did.
Alright, go ahead.
You find the center of gravity in the airplane, and mine happens to be the middle.
As is mine. Now, when throwing a paper airplane, it's proper that you get in your stance where your legs are about shoulder width apart. You take back your arm, aim with your left hand, and right where you think it's going to go, pull back and release. And follow through. Follow through is key.
We have found our perch, our point of liftoff, and David Shank is getting ready to demonstrate the proper use of such a vantage point. Now, David Shank, are you scared?
No.
Alright, let's roll.
I am.
Alright, now let's see that shot from a separate angle. Touchdown. We hope you have learned much from this demonstration, but there's still much left to learn. Mostly, that is safety and regulations.
True that.
Now we're about to show you how to throw safe. Rule number 1 of the paper airplane experience: never throw when there's somebody in front of you, just like this. Never use your paper airplane as a weapon. Rule number 3, you cannot actually fly your paper airplanes. Rule number 46, your airplane is not a vehicle.
Lucky number 47, a number 7 with extra sauce, some chicken nuggets and some dipping sauce.
Sometimes, just like your teachers tell you, it is appropriate to use your local library. Like many American citizens, paper airplane enthusiasts go to church too.
Thank you for listening in on our presentation on safety Now this will be followed by a short quiz that will be handed in immediately. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.
Are you really making a quiz, Kyle?
Yes. My fellow students, do not try this at home, please. What we have here is a wannabe David Shock. Please go. Alright, I am now. Action!